And ladies and gentlemen, still it's a pleasure to welcome you to Chicago, where the local time is approximately 4:53 p.m. We do ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has parked at the gate and turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. That'll be your only indication that it is safe to get up and collect your items. Remember to use caution when opening overhead bins. Your items may have shifted during landing. You may now use mobile phones or other handheld electronic devices. However, laptops and DVD players do need to remain stowed.